Hello, trading is closed on June the 6th, 2018. Yesterday we said the pattern was negative unless we gapped over these highs. I thought there was more than a 50% chance that we would, and this target was the reason. That happened. Support, resistance. Tomorrow's pattern has an early high, tends to rally throughout the day, close near the high. Doesn't mean you won't gap down first. When the normal pattern doesn't occur, it's usually a straight line drop down. During the day, MEJT said ultimately lower and higher prices would print. Said that drop wasn't for keeps, says the rally's not for keeps. It's a target of 27.6148, most likely to print tomorrow. 27.5861 ultimately should be seen. No time limit, usually you don't wait long. Standard rules, if you gap up, these are probably out of reach. Gap up smartly, probably out of reach. If you don't, at least the upper one and probably the lower one should be seen. We do have a wall into the close. The close essentially at the day's high, hops and close. Most of the time leads to a gap down. But when you're hitting new recovery highs like this, it only works half the time. So 50-50 chance of gapping down. As far as the long-term picture is concerned, as long as this high holds, I'm still looking for the end of blue 2. It could come very close. Sometimes wave 2 corrects almost all of wave 1. But as long as this high holds, I think we're going to have the end of blue 2 someplace in here. Now, of many targets, the favorite one I have was 27.59 area. There was resistance, but it didn't hold. Normally, when you break through resistance, you get more of a gain. And unless this is reversed early and convincingly, whether or not we see these numbers tomorrow, I think we'll see higher prices. What are the chances it is reversed convincingly? Well, it's not impossible, but it's not my favorite scenario at the present time. As I've said, you can make wave count here, which shows anything. If that's A and that's B, you can clearly count 5 waves up with good fib relationships, and this high is a Fibonacci percentage of wave purple A. So if this is right and blue 3 is going to start, it'll start by dropping in a straight line down. If it happens, fine. I just don't think it's the most likely outcome at this time. If we don't gap up, I do think we'll see at least this upper price, but 50% of the time I think we will gap up, and so we'll have to see what happens at the open. Here are the targets. Gapping up puts them out of reach, and that's today's call.